Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing. This is the fast part. Open Shortcuts and the widget app you chose, then save your images into photos. Once done, create a basic widget in Widgetsmith or Widgie to use as a placeholder, because you need a configured widget slot. Make sure your shortcuts can run without prompts. Enable permissions. Now make a new shortcut that opens nothing but returns the image. This shortcut will be wrapped into a home screen widget shortly. You now build the widget flow. In Shortcuts, get the specific image, resize or crop to a square, then save to a temporary file. This prevents stretching. Next, in your widget app, create a widget template that uses the shortcut output or reads that saved file. Once configured, add the widget to your home screen and link it to the shortcut if needed. Test sizes and spacing. Tweak image alignment so your aesthetic looks balanced across icons and folders. You finish by arranging and polishing. Place widgets precisely, then add transparent icons or matching wallpapers for cohesion. Make sure to set widgets to refresh intervals or use automation to rerun the shortcut so images stay current. If a widget shows a blank or old image, rerun the shortcut, reassign the widget, and give permission to photos again. If that fails, restart your iPhone and, as a last resort, reinstall the widget app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.